Welcome to Frano British Academy. In today's video, we want to answer 8 challenging bar exam law questions. This video is for law students and anyone who wants to improve his or her knowledge of the law. Number 1. In the hierarchy of laws in Nigeria, which of the following takes precedence? A, B, C, D. The right answer is option C, the Constitution. So, the Constitution is supreme law of the land. See section 1 sub 1 of the 1999 Constitution. Number 2. Which of these legal maxims best reflects the principle behind audi autorem partem? Audi autorem partem. A, B, C, or D? The right answer is D. Hear the other side. Audi autorem partem literally means hear the other side, a core rule of natural justice. Number 3. Which of the following cannot form a valid consideration in contract law? A, B, C, D. The right answer is option B. Past consideration is not valid consideration under Nigerian contract law. Number 4. In criminal law, the presumption of innocence is contained in which section of the 1999 Constitution? A, B, C, or D? The right answer is option C. Section 36, sub 5 of the 1999 Constitution provides for the presumption of innocence until proven guilty. Number 5. Which of the following courts has original jurisdiction in disputes between states in Nigeria? A, B, C, or D? Of course, it is the Supreme Court, option D. The Supreme Court, by virtue of Section 232 of the 1999 Constitution, has the exclusive original jurisdiction over interstate disputes. Number 6. Which of the following best describes mens rea in criminal law? A, B, C, D? It is the guilty mind, option B. Mens rea is a Latin maxim which means a guilty mind. It refers to the intent behind any criminal act. Number 7. Which type of legal system operates in Nigeria? A, B, C, or D? Nigeria operates a common law legal system. Yes, Nigeria operates a mixed but predominantly common law system, and it was inherited from Britain, option B. Number 8, the last but not least. Which doctrine allows a court to set aside its own earlier decision in rare circumstances? A, B, C, or D? It is not judicial precedent. It is not obiter dictum. It is between per incuriam and ratio decidendi. What do you think? Please drop your answer in the comment section. Do it before I say the answer. You have 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is per incurium. Yes, option C. Per incurium allows a court to disregard a decision made in error, made in ignorance of relevant law. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Please comment below, like the video, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you.